Hello, welcome. In this video, we'll be looking at church sermons. And so on the left sidebar, we can see the menu for church sermons. And so I'll click on it. And so we have two sub menus under the church sermons. We have the new sermon sub menu, and then we'll have the list of sermons sub menu. And so the new sermon sub menu gives us the ability to add new sermons, so members of our churches can have opportunity to watch these sermons. If it's going to be a video sermon you're going to be creating, listen to a podcast or an audio recording of the sermon. If it's going to be an audio record of a sermon you'll be uploading, or have the opportunity to read the transcript of the sermon if you're going to be uploading the transcript for the sermon in text format. And so we'll have the add sermon form that you can fill and then submit. And then if you've done that, we'll have a list of sermon, or let's run a test. So let's create a sermon. So we'll go back to the new sermon. And so the dates the sermon was preached. And so if the sermon belongs to a series, some sermons have series. Maybe under the series of who is speaking on your behalf, we'll have episode 1, we'll have the episode 2, we'll have the episode 3, and all that. So if a sermon belongs to a series, you enter the name of the series here, and then the sermon title follows. And so this sermon, we're not going to be placing this sermon under a series, so I'll go straight to entering the sermon title. So I will say the joy of Christ. Alright, and so let's say the preacher is Pastor Gabriel, and if we have a link to an audio, we can paste the audio link. So I'll just go quickly and extract an audio link. Alright, so I've gone to extract an audio link, and I've also extracted an embed code from YouTube, and I've also gotten a blog URL that houses a transcript, and so I'll be uploading a banner. So you can select a banner. Alright, then you can put the summary of the sermon and the summary of sermon box, and then you can submit. Okay, our sermon has been recorded successfully. Alright, and then we should see that sermon displayed on the list of sermons page. And so we're heading to the list of sermons page, and yes, we have it, the joy of Christ by Pastor Gabriel. Alright, and so you can if you feel you've made an error, you can always use the edit feature. Always use this edit feature to edit the sermon. And so if you feel you no longer want that sermon available to members, and you may wish to delete, you can also use the delete. Alright, so this is the edit. So clicking on the edit icon brings you to the update details of sermon, and so you see a pre-fill. Those information you filled before, you see them displayed. And so you can make whatever changes you want to make. So let's head back to the list of sermons. Okay, and so if you feel a particular sermon is no longer needed, or you no longer want it to be available to members, you can use the delete icon, and then you can delete the sermon. The banner is clickable, the title of the sermon is clickable. We also have an eye icon here that says view details. So you click on it, it takes you to the detail page of that sermon, where you get to see in full details what you have captured. And then there's a side-by-side display. On the right hand side, you can also see list of other sermons you have, that is also clickable, and that takes you to the details of that sermon. And so we'll have the video. You can watch the video. We'll have the podcast. If you upload both the video and the podcast, you can preview the video. You can also preview the podcast, and then you have other information of the sermon displayed below. Still on the list of sermons page, if you want to just have a quick preview without having to go to the details page of the sermon, you just want a quick preview of the videos, the podcast, and then the transcript to have a quick link or a quick preview buttons for each. So for the video, if I click on the watch video, it gives me a quick preview. So directly on that list of sermons page, I can preview that video that I've uploaded without having to go to the sermon details. And then I can also preview the audio by clicking the play audio, and then I can listen to the audio. And then for the transcript, if it's a document that was uploaded, you can preview the document directly on the side. But if it's a link to a blog, of course it will have to take you to that blog, and then you can preview the blog. You can preview whatever information is there. All right, so that's all for church sermons. In the next video, we're going to be looking at church gifts. So see you in the next video. Thank you.